Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on June 23, 2020. Shares rise amid relief in U.S. China relations. Global stock markets ended big sell-off with recovering on Tuesday after U.S. President Donald Trump said the U.S. China trade pact was fully intact, easing concerns of a new conflict with Beijing. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside of Japan rose 0.72% to 517.1, while Chinese shares rebounded, adding 0.38%. In Hong Kong, the Hang Seng surged about 1% in early afternoon trade. South Korea's KOSPI index climbed 0.54%, and Japan's Nikkei jumped 0.8%. The pan-European STOXX 600 index also showed better results, rising 0.6% due to strong figures in technology, financial services, and industrial goods and services sectors. France's Sanofi develops COVID-19 vaccine. On Tuesday, French pharmaceutical company Sanofi SA reported it expects to get approval for the potential COVID-19 vaccine, which is developing with Britain's GlaxoSmithKline plc by the first half of 2021. Sanofi, whose Pasteur Vaccines division has a long-established reputation, notably in flu, is currently working on two vaccine projects. One uses an adjuvant made by GSK to potentially boost its efficacy. It has received financial support from the U.S. Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority. The other, being developed with U.S. company Translate Bio Inc., relies on a different technology known as mRNA. Clinical trials of the vaccine developed with GSK will start in September, while trials of the mRNA vaccine candidate should begin around the end of the year. House prices decline in the UK due to low demand. Analysts are estimating that home prices in the United Kingdom will decrease this year and won't recover until the end of 2022 due to falling demand amid government-imposed lockdown, which led to big rise in unemployment. Due to unstable financial situation, buyers are likely to be nervous about big purchases, so the property prices will drop 5% this year. Meanwhile, in a worst-case scenario, values may fall 11% this year. Prices are forecast to rise 1.5% next year and 3.5% in 2022. The predicted decline comes despite low borrowing cost and the Bank of England's move to set its key interest rate at just 0.10% and to not change that until 2022 at least. Hyundai plans to produce EV battery with LG Chem. Two South Korean giants, Hyundai Motor Group and LG Chem Ltd, are considering an establishment of a new electric vehicle battery manufacturing joint venture in Indonesia. LG Group Chairman Koo Kwang-mo met Hyundai Motor Group Executive Vice Chairman Ae-sun Chun on Monday to start discuss cooperation in EV batteries, including future technology. Two companies, as well as the global automakers in general, are moving to secure batteries in anticipation of a rise in EV sales due to government subsidies and quotas designed to cut carbon emissions. A battery sale joint venture would be the first for Hyundai, viewed as a relative latecomer to the EV market. It is mounting a challenge to the dominance of Toyota Motor Corp in Southeast Asia with a new factory in Indonesia which may produce electric vehicles.